Ready to unlock the full potential of your Chromebook and dive into the world of advanced customization? Then enabling developer mode is the key. First, power off your Chromebook completely. It's crucial to shut it down, not just close the lid. Ensure the screen is black. This ensures you are doing a complete system reset. Now press and hold the ESC, refresh, and power buttons all at the same time. Keep holding them until you see a recovery screen appear. You should now see the Chrome OS recovery screen. Don't panic. This is perfectly normal. This screen typically indicates an issue, but in this case, it's a necessary step to initiate developer mode. Next, press Ctrl+D. This is the magic combination that tells your Chromebook you want to enter developer mode. A verification screen will appear. Press Enter to confirm that you want to turn off OS verification and enable developer mode. Your Chromebook will now perform a system transition. This process will wipe all local data, so be sure to back up anything important using cloud storage such as Google Drive or an external drive before proceeding. The system will reboot and you will now be in developer mode. Note that booting your Chromebook requires you to hit Ctrl+D to skip the OS verification screen.